Hello, this is Mia. Do you have this problem? Want to process workpieces but do not know which grinding tool to choose? And don't know how to solve the grinding problem? Want a cheap and efficient grinding wheel but cannot find the right business? Today, we can solve all these problems. Moresuperhard Products Co Ltd is dedicated to finding solutions that help our clients in all markets succeed. We cover a wide range of industries. Any problems related to grinding, polishing, cutting, and drilling can be well solved by us. We accept the customization of products, which will be delivered in 7 to 15 days. Solve grinding problems for you and improve production efficiency at the same time. More brings in revenue for you. You win, we win. If you have any problems, please contact Moresuperhard.